Good evening, students. This is chemistry session today for class 9th, and I am going to start the topic characteristics of particles of matter. So let us see what are the characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. So let us understand these characteristics with the help of some activities. As you have studied earlier, when we dissolve sugar in water, the particles of sugar get spaces into water. So the activities which you have studied earlier show that particles of matter have a space between them. And now second character is particles of matter are continuously moving. So let us see with the help of an activity. Take an unlit essence stick and place it in the corner of the room. Now go close to feel the smell of unlit essence stick and then light the essence stick. And observe. So what do we observe? We find that observation. What is observation? We find that to feel the smell of unlit essence stick, we have to go close to the essence stick, but when we light the essence stick, we can feel the smell of essence stick several meters away. So what are our observations? To feel the smell of unlit essence stick we have to go close to it, but in case of lighted essence stick, we get the smell from several meters away. Several meters away. So on the basis of these observations, what conclusion we can draw? So last conclusion, we can draw conclusion that particles of matter are in continuously moving at when we increase the temperature, temperature, kinetic energy of the particles increase. Now take a screenshot of it. In this session, I had discussed one activity, and it was related to how the particles of matter are in continuous motion. As you have studied that when we take a essence stick and place it in the corner of room, then to feel the smell we have to go very close to the essence stick, and when we light it, we can get the smell from several meters away. So from this activity which you have studied, that particles of matter are in continuous motion, and when we light the essence stick, these particles, due to kinetic energy, intermix with the air and move faster. That's why we can feel the smell very easily from several meters away. Now let us discuss one more activity related to particles of matter are in continuous motion. For this, take two beakers, filled with water. Let these are beakers A and B. In first beaker, add a drop of ink, and in second beaker, add honey, and then keep the two beakers undisturbed for some time. After some time, what do you observe? You will observe that ink mixes with the water and the color of water becomes blue, but in case of honey, it takes long time to diffuse into water. So from this activity, we can see that different substances have different rate of diffusion, means intermixing is different for different substances. So we can conclude it for this activity. What steps we will take? Take 2 beakers, filled with water, Now add a drop of ink in the first beaker and honey in the second beaker. And now keep it undisturbed for some time. What do you observe? So observation. Ink get mixed with water and the color of water becomes blue. Honey mixes with water slowly. So what conclusion we can draw? Conclusion: from this activity we can conclude that different liquids have different rate of diffusion, Now take a screenshot of it. Now this session is completed. We will discuss some more activities in the next video. Thank you, students.